Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here's what you're going to be doing today if you're a hybrid learner at school. First, let's review steps from last time. Last time we met, it should have been your job to start the final inequity charger design. You also should have started the inequity charger artist statement and also completed a Deborah Butterfield activity. Today, we're going to be finishing the final inequity charger design. We're also going to be photographing that artwork and uploading it to Seesaw. And we're also going to be finishing the artist statement that you should have started, insert the artwork image into the document, and then turning it into Google Classroom. So let's look at the details on how to do the first step, which is to complete the final laser engraved charger. First, you want to review the project criteria. If we take a look at this link here, it's going to immediately jump us to the criteria for the final project. Now, we haven't worked on this project for about a week, so we want to make sure that we review this criteria. The image should be large, it should be anchored / or bleed, and also overlap. Anchor / bleed means they extend to the edge of the page. You also want to make sure you're using repetition. That means you're repeating color, shapes, as well as lines. You also want to make sure you're using contrast, which is a stark difference and or focal point of your image. You want to make sure that you have colored Sharpie, pencils, or oil pastels that have been applied thoroughly throughout the cardboard background. So this is obviously going to look a little bit different if you are a distance learner and chose not to pick up the cardboard horse because you're working with different mediums and on paper. But do your best to make sure you follow the criteria of the images, repetition, contrast, and also coloring. Please use the following links here, as well as here to know how to do the steps for the final art making. This is review, but it is helpful to take a look at this because it shows the different steps, which include the pencil, Sharpie, and erase, the marker, as well as the background. So those are what those links were showing there. Once you're done with your project, you're going to be taking a photo of it and then uploading it to Seesaw. You'll need to click on this link to learn how to take a photo of your artwork of the final Mustang horse. This one shows how to take it in the art room, but you can do a similar step if you are at home when you're doing the project. So watch that video to complete that step. And then we also need to make sure you learn how to upload your artwork to Seesaw. This video is review. We've done this before, but please watch it if you need help remembering how to upload your work to Seesaw. Remember, these codes have expired now, so if for some reason you still need to log into Seesaw and didn't get a chance to do that, let me know and I can give you the specific class code. But again, you'll be able to skip this step, that step there, because you should have already uploaded your work. Once you're done photographing your artwork and uploading to Seesaw, you're going to be finishing your artist statement. You're going to watch this video here on how to write this artist statement. Again, this video is review. You should have already seen it, but please take a look at it again because it has been a week since you might have done this, or maybe even longer. Be sure to use this document, which is the inequity charger artist statement document. Remember, the video explains this, but the criteria for the artist statement is on the second page here. So make sure that you take a look and watch the instructional video so you know how to complete that step. What you definitely haven't done yet is insert a photograph of your artwork and put it into the artist statement. So take the photo that you've taken and put it into your artist statement, and then turn your artist statement into Google Classroom. This is what it's going to look like in Google Classroom to turn it in. You're going to find the inequity charter design. You're going to go to here, and you're going to click right here, click View Assignment, and then you're going to go up to the top right. You're going to add the document, and then you're going to search for it in Drive. You're going to add the document and make sure you hit Submit or Turn In. You can't just click Mark as done, otherwise it will not count. So make sure you do that. Once that's turned in, then you should have accomplished all the goals for today, which is, again, to review, finish your final inequity charter design, photograph the artwork and upload the image to Seesaw, and finish the artist statement, insert the artwork into the document, and turn into Google Classroom. The resources here below show additional links to the steps for a day. Hope that was helpful. Do your best quality work.